Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. This is just like a cross-section or update video regarding all the new features. So first things first, I did change a little bit how the landing page looks like because now we have one additional course. So previously we did have only one and that one covered the entire section over here. Now we have new, so they are now splitting this portion of the screen, but we have, let's say, common buttons for all of them, and it doesn't matter if you already watched this first course, you can just assign yourself to this new course. So for both of those courses, you can use the same buttons over here. And from the previous video, I did explain in this video how to use the platform, how video progress works, and things like that. And also we have the same segment for the future courses. So about the new course, it came as a feedback from this first course. So we have just four, let me show you. We have just four videos, introduction, why I did create a course, and a little bit about me, how to communicate with AI to get the best answers, how to resolve the warnings. There are some tools that can help you with that. And in the final video, I did provide information for several YouTube courses, so you can go from here and also learn the Python. That is for this new course and the landing page. Now just to show you how you can assign this course to someone who is maybe already listened this first course. So you can go over here to register and start, and over here now you will just choose I'm already a user, and you can enter your information, and if you already listened this course you can now just pick this new course. When you send request for this new course, I did enable that we have 20 users automatically approved per week, so you will not wait for me to approve you for this new course for that old course, because still that is just a Serbian course. There is still improvement process in place, because I think that we need to determine for who is that course and who will be able to listen that course. But both of them are free. And okay, once you log in, now we also have Learning Assistant, because in the future we will have a lot of different courses. So over here, this assistant should help you with did you provide all the feedback? What is the next video that you need to watch? Did you also provide course feedback? And you can toggle through the courses that you have. Maybe just to show you also on my side. So for example, when you fill out everything, this message will show that all videos are completed, that you also did fill all the feedback, and maybe you can just feel free to leave the course feedback. Again, this learning assistant will always be on the first place. Then if you just want to watch this course, then you will have two cards for me, because those two are complete and this one is in preparation. I have a bit more cards than you have. And also, now we have also inactive accounts and inactive system in place, and we have various stages. I did also update terms of services. If you were inactive 10 days, you will receive an email. Then if you're inactive 30 days, you'll again receive an email, also with a message that if you do not log in 60 days, your account will be resetted and archived, and then after 90 days we will just delete your account. Of course, if you did complete the course and you are just inactive because you did finish your own course, that will not affect you. But simply if you did register for the course and then you never logged in, then we just want to have a system where we do not want to have trillion of fake accounts. We want to have only the users that are willing to finish the course. So that is why we have this system in place. And finally, again, according to the user comments, we did have some issues when you watch one video and then you just quickly click on the other video. Sometimes that action prompted those messages that you are trying to watch the videos on different devices. We did also improve that, and that is why if you also see any problem or maybe some room for improvement, you can always report bug and you can describe what the issue is about. And for me, that is the most important thing. So I will read every and each this report, and I will try as fast as possible to update the system. Thank you for watching. Bye.